I like your shirt.
Thank you. With the scarf. It's upside down though, some ratchet shit. Ah, I got half hair, I'm so sorry. Do you know Clitora Sandria? Clitora Sandria, that's my girl. That's my girl on YouTube. Oh shit. Hey, I think I know you. Bitch, you tried to get me to subscribe last time. I don't judge. Oh! Was that Drake? Oh my god, it must be a celebrity night! Girl, it must be a celebrity night. Drake is on Omegle. Oh my god. Mac Miller was on Omegle. Oh my god. Drake is on Omegle. And, oh, what the fuck, bitch? I love that song you did with Ariana Grande. Check it out. Hello? Ew. Girl, you need a dentist. Girl, you want my number? You want my dentist number? I'll get you my number. Hold on. Hair is so nappy. Sir, do you know a good stylist in town? Tito don't know how to do hair. Hey. Ugh, rude. You're more ratchet than mine twerking. I know, girl. You're not telling me twice. That is more ratchet than mine twerking. But I can twerk. That's the thing. I can twerk. But you ain't no Barbie. I see you with Barbie. Hey! What up, boy? Hello? I am not. Sorry. Oh, sure. I get that from my mama. My mama tell me I'm loud as fuck. I think because she was on her back too much and they made her scream so loud that now I'm very loud. Back and forth, I with my head, back and forth, I with my head. Ow! Sorry. Hey, boo. Yeah, look at this nasty ass, ratchet ass, snappy hair, girl. Tito don't know how to do hair, and I thought. I is ratchet.
Hey, you go.
Ratchet. I can be a model.
Sweet.
That's my jam, girl. I'm making a YouTube video too. Who got titties? I want to see some titties.
You can find push-ups, I'll show you.
What? This is going on YouTube, so your titties better say hey. Hey, girl! Oh. She gotta have a seizure. Oh my god, girl. Hey, I'm twerking, bitch. I'm twerking. That's my jam. They playing my jam. Ah! Bitch, you ain't no Barbie. I see you work at Arby's. Number 2, super sad. Hurry up, I'm starving. Gnarly, radical. I'm that black eye magical. Oh my god, you know Perry? Yes, thank you very much. And you look like a fat yourself, bitch. Haters, we got some haters in the room. Woo! Nah, not really. Not really. I don't gotta get more views. I come natural. Well, I didn't gotta try either. What's going on? I can't see. You nasty fuck. Hey, boo! Ew! And you never see royal. Oh, what's the matter? Are you okay, boo? You look like you done got raped to make this. I can call special victims units. I feel for you, girl.
Motherfucker.
What? Bye. Oh, he had problems. Why he on Omegle if you got problems? Bitch, I wish you would come back up on the screen. I'm being serious, man. Hey, bro, I like your headphones.
Thank you. You're getting serious, though.
What happened?
You're getting serious.
I am, but I'm funny. I'm natural.
Oh, that's right. You got a YouTube channel?
I do. This is my first Omegle video, too. I can't twerk right now. I'm on my period. Girl, if I twerk, I might get a baby coming out. Hey, boo! Can we have a slumber party? Are you my Prince Charming? You look like my Jackie Chan Prince Charming.
Yeah.
Someone taking a shower, bitch. You better put some clothes on. Who this? Drake! Drake don't like me. Drake hates me. Oh, I wish his scream would come the fuck that up. I wish Drake's motherfucking scream come the fuck that up. He looking at me like he got some shit. Hey! Yo, I like that song you did with Ariana Grande. That bitch look at me. How come these people are so damn mean on here? Why the fuck you want Omegle if you mean? Like, these people flicking me off, and these people giving me like a mad, cursing me out. Bitch, why are you on Omegle if you got problems with your life? You need to go see a therapist. Bitch, please. Hey! Hey, boo! That's my boo. Oh, am I too loud? I'm sorry. I get that from my mama. I really want to see that Drake guy in that emo looking fuck. Look, I'm gonna whip your ass. Like, bitch. No. I'm gonna blow up on your ass. That bitch got a problem. That bitch got a fucking problem. Why the fuck you want Omegle if you're gonna have issues like that? That's not cool. Girl, you better get the fuck out. Hey, boo! Ooh, you look very cute. Thank you. I get that a lot, but I got nappy ass hair. I get it from my mama. Is your name Carson? Hey. Woo! With the hair, girl. You better whip it. You better not whip that hair, girl. You look so serious. It says Ratchet. Cause I is ratchet. I is doing the most. You know what I'm saying, boo? You know what I'm saying. I doing the most. Are you jacking off? Ow! Die by fire. I wish a bitch would. I wish a bitch would. Hey! You looking like you never seen some hair before, girl. Oh, are you Drake? You better get out. Okay, you were the bitch you like.
I just shaved the sides of my beard, so you probably don't.
I don't know. You were. Oh no, you done cut me off. Are you the Drake wannabe who is giving me issues? Like, why you want Omegle? This is not funny. Why you want Omegle if you're gonna give me some problems? Are you the guy I'm thinking of? I coughed. Oops. Hey! Who's that? Hey! Woo! You want a Maserati? You better work, bitch.
That's beautiful.
I know. Thank you. I get it from my mama. Wait, take it off. Take it off. I get my dollars. Where are my dollars? I can get my dollars. Oh! What is that? Oh, bitch. Oh. Hey, boo. What's up? You look so cute. I look ratchet as hell. I get that from my mama. I use ratchet. You know you ratchet when you use a compact mirror as a sewing kit. I know my weak girl. Did you know penises look bigger underwater? That is from Snooky Boo. Penises look bigger underwater because I had me some 12-inch under the Atlantic Ocean in 1995. I think I was on my 18th honeymoon. I love. We don't hate. We don't judge. We don't judge an Omegle. You want some Tums? Okay.
I want to know a person like this.
Huh?
You got him.
You look familiar. How we met? Oh, thank you. You want? Hey, boo! You look adorable. You look like a little koala bear. What up?
That's so hot.
Thank you. You know it's Ratchet, just like me. We ratchet as hell up in this bitch. How I see your signs? Ew, okay, bitch, why you want Omegle? You got anger issues. Why the fuck you want Omegle, bitch? You better get the fuck off. You got some depression and shit, bitch. Why the fuck you want Omegle? You got some issue. You getting mad at people, bitch? You need some therapy, okay, bitch? I am tired of bitch asses like you, okay? Bitch, get real, get ready, and be real, okay? Why you want Omegle when you got some shit to say? Bullshit, okay, bitch? Bullshit. Bye. Bye, bitch. Bye. You got some fucking nerve. Goddamn nerve, bitch. Go see a therapist. See a doctor. That's the bitch that gave me some issues. That's the bitch who gave me some issues. I ain't fucking around with that one.